Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
In this tutorial as spoken English teacher, I have given you many different topics and I do believe that you will try to explain about your viewpoint related with the topics of what is given to you. First and foremost, you know what is much more formal. You have to give your introduction, then try to clarify about the presentation which is playing in mind. So let's start. As an initiator, I would like to come to you. Please carry on.
Hi guys, Shambhu here. I am a student of class 10 from Harvard Economic Institution.
Okay.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, all of you. I am Kaushik Das.
Good morning, sir. I am Suparna Mitra.
Okay. So today in our tutorial, our respected sir give us a very important topic, and as it is a national issue, we would like to stand on that and elaborate according to our own educational abilities. What we are now today talking about, that is Aadhaar card. We Indian citizens are too much aware with the word Aadhaar card. The government has founded a committee, that UIDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India. This committee controls the unique identification of India. What is Aadhaar card? Aadhaar card is something what we need in every corner of our life today. As we need money when we are walking on the street, we also need Aadhaar card about the different types of commercial work. Either it is government or any private firm, but we need Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is just like our identity as driving license and voter card as PAN card and so on.
Very good.
So Aadhaar card is mainly needed when we are availing different types of economical faculties. What are that? It may be different types of government schemes such as gratuity funds there. Actually these type of funds are too much helpful to the rural and sub-rural places peoples, or the people who are till today belonging from the under of the property line. So below of the property line. So for that certain community peoples, I think those types of little government schemes or gratuity funds are too much helpful for them. Next thing is subsidy. The Indian government mostly provides a subsidy in the petroleum products such as LPG, kerosene and so on. For if we want to avail those types of subsidy, we generally need the Aadhaar card. And actually the government is trying to make a bridge with different types of our identity like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card and so on. What is the motto? The motto is, if government have just one identity of us, they can get out our whole biography or our whole details. So that is a very important thing for linking Aadhaar card with different types of facilities. The next thing what I'd like to say is that property measurement. The government can measure our property and easily calculate the tax, and for the general people it will be helpful for them to pay the tax to the government. In that way, actually Aadhaar card can make the paying tax system easier for us and for government too. The last thing is KYC. If we want to open a bank account in any bank, either it is government or private, we need KYC, and for that we have to link the Aadhaar card with the KYC. Next thing is different types of government scheme. Either it is state schemes like Sabushati, Shastra Kanyashri, or it is central scheme like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao or Ujala Har Ghar Mein. In those schemes, we need to update our Aadhaar card with different types of schemes if we want to avail the facilities of that schemes. Next thing is, as we are talked about different types of neatness about Aadhaar cards, I would like to talk about what are the proper usefulness in our day-to-day life. First thing is, frauders will be reduced. The economical or the society frauders today in our society, even the terror activity also can be reduced by this Aadhaar card. Actually, Aadhaar cards can properly show you who are the citizens of your country and who are not. So thus frauders will be reduced, and we know that in every gap of 10 years, one nation calculates its own citizens. And I think due to the Aadhaar card system, the measurement of the citizens will be much more easier. Next thing is, tax deprivers will be reduced. The people who just like to divide their money in different types of small accounts and try to deprive tax from the government, I think tracing of them will be much more easier for government and for the police too. Black money will be reduced. The different types of black money and underworld activity who are just legal, which are so much illegal, that type of activity will be reduced. And the last thing is, in any type of international exams, if you try to avail, at that point of time you need to fill up your Aadhaar card number in the form as an identification of your and for the student. So in the conclusion, what I would like to say, that the Aadhaar card makes our life in India more easier for the government and for the normal citizens too. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'd like to come to you now. Please tell me.
Now our point is unique identification of for India. All citizens of India know about Aadhaar card or Aadhaar number. Its Aadhaar means its foundation or support. It's a 12-digit number and provides us unique identification. It started now in 2021, almost 100% people of India has Aadhaar card. It has a logo yellow sun called fingerprint in its center. Aadhaar card has no age limit. Child to old man, Aadhaar card is approved. Only for child, when they are 15 years old, they make their Aadhaar card again because their biometrics change.
Very good.
It is just not for unique identification. This card provides us many benefits like government provides subsidy in LPG, kerosene, any petroleum things, and also by this card we get bank loan, many kind of life insurance, and KYC number are linked with bank. And in company where we get job and any competitive examination hall, Aadhaar card is needed for our identification. Except this card, we are not eligible for exam. And to get beneficiary to any scheme like Jan Dhan Yojana, Rozgar Yojana, and scholarship, Aadhaar card is important because Aadhaar card is linked with. If we not linked with Aadhaar card, we not get this benefit. Many people increase their property secretly to escape from tax. But for fingerprinting card, government easily check our property. That's why we don't deprive from tax and government take our blood money. Since our bank account linked with Aadhaar card, then government easily check our bank account. And in digital India, we think all are linked with UIDAI number for Indian citizens.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please.
We are concerned with the word of Aadhaar card or Aadhaar number. The official name of Aadhaar card is UIDAI. UIDAI stands for Unique Identification Authority of India. Indian government started the concept of Aadhaar card from 2009 and it became implement on 2010. The Aadhaar card looks a rectangular white paper where show our personal identification such like that, our name, our father name, our address, our date of birth, etc. That card provide 12-digit number for individual and that number are different from everyone. First of all, why Aadhaar provide us 12-digit number? I think many people think about it. Why Aadhaar provide 12-digit number? Cause now India becomes second largest population country in the world. And according to 2011 census, India has around 130 crore population and day by day it will be enhanced. If we see that population number stands also 12 digit. That's why Aadhaar provide us 12 digit number. Now I speak about why Aadhaar card become essential document. Because when we go to make our Aadhaar card, the authorized need our biometric authentication like our fingerprint, our retina. So every government field require this card because this one card provide our personal identification as well as our address provide and also provide our biometric documentation. So when we go to bank, they require Aadhaar card. Even when we buy a SIM card, they needed only this 12-digit number. A previous day, when we bought a SIM card, they need our voter card and they need our Xerox copy on that card. But modern day, but on nowadays, if we want a SIM card, they only need that number, not needed any Xerox copy. And that's 12-digit number provide our all identification. So they gives that SIM card. Even our ex-finance minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley, launched a scheme, GAAR, for deprived tax relaxation in 2016, as well as Aadhaar need a biometric authentication, so deprived taxes may be reduced because a person can't change their own fingerprint or retina. When a person want to fake bank account, they can't. Even many schemes like Kisan Kalyan Mission, even NABARD also record this Aadhaar number. Previous time when people were minority, if they want to go and want to open their bank account or they enrollment their name in any scheme or any scholarship, they fully depended their father identification. But because they only have two identification, one is their their birth certificate, and second is their madhyamik certificate. Even such kind of people who cannot completed their madhyamik level examination, they only one identification, that is birth of certificate, date of birth certificate. But nowadays, when a minority person want to open their bank account, when a person want to enrollment their name any scheme or any scholarship from, they provide their Aadhaar number, and the Aadhaar number provide their all identification. So last of all, if we go to all documentation in a one card, so we have to go only one choice, that is Aadhaar card.
Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Give a big hand to this fellow. Really have done a very good job indeed. Thank you very much. Thank you.